Hey everybody, it's Josh from Cap Impact, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Camlink 4K. Now this has been out for a very long time. This is quite an old product, and basically what it does is it allows you to connect your camera to your computer, and it allows you to display video from your camera. Now let's get straight into this unboxing. So you can see this is the box it comes in. It comes in a very nice small box, and you can see when we open it up, I have actually already looked into this. It comes with obviously the Camlink 4K, but it also comes with a nice extender USB cable, and I'll get to this a bit later. So you can see it comes with this, pull that out, the USB, and it also comes with, which side is it? It's this side here. It also comes with an Elgato sticker. I think this is like one of the only products that actually gives you a sticker. But you can see we've got the Camlink here, and we've also got the cable. So let's actually get to setting this up. So you can see I've got the Camlink here, and I've also got the cable, and I'm just going to plug it in now. So basically what this cable does is it allows you to not have to directly plug this into your computer. So if you don't want this to just stick out of your computer, you can have this to kind of just dongle down, I guess. I'm just going to bring my laptop. Okay, so I have this computer set up here. First of all, what you want to do is you want to plug this into your computer. Now, if you have a Type-C computer, unfortunately this won't plug in. You actually need a third-party dongle, so I just got this one from Apple, and you just plug it in like this. Now what I do is I grab my camera. So I have a Canon camera. I'm just going to make sure I turn it on. Well, it seems to already be on. Make sure it is all set up as well, and I'll put this down here as well. Now the next part, there's a lot of cables everywhere, I'm going to have to move this, is the connection to the Camlink and your camera. So unfortunately it doesn't come with a cable to connect your camera and your Camlink, so I had to go onto Amazon, and I just bought this kind of cheap cable that has a mini HDMI on the end, which plugs into a Canon camera, and also the HDMI which plugs into the Camlink. So let's just plug those in right now. I'll just put this one here, and I'll also grab the other cable. Now, a really important thing to note is that if your camera isn't set up right, it might not connect directly to this Camlink. So what you will need to do is you will need to go into settings. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, there we are. Okay. You will need to go into settings. I might have to do that first before I do this. So settings, and make sure you find something that says HDMI, HDR output, and just make sure that you select that to on, because you need to make sure that you can output your HDMI video from your camera to your computer. And once you do that, you'll notice that when you plug in your camera, you'll see that everything displayed on the camera pops up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to back out of that by clicking the menu button, and you'll notice that I get the camera out of, or I get the video from the camera. That's basically what's happening, and you can see it works really well. You can see my whole messy desk and everything. But yeah, you can also notice that there is something that does pop up, a warning. You can just hit OK on your camera. It just acts as if it was the external screen, but it gives full access and full quality. And yeah, that is about it. You'll also notice on the Camlink, there is a nice light that lights up. You can see, I'll show you through the camera on the camera. There is a light that pops up, and that means that it is working. Now, obviously you can unplug it. I actually thought you needed to put external software on here, but you don't need to. So that's a pretty cool bonus with the Camlink. But if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I've left a purchase link in the description, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya!